Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see your connected Wi-Fi password. Before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of important video. So let's start the video. In this video I will show you two methods for showing your Wi-Fi password. So let's move to the first method. First of all, go to the Play Store and search here QR code scanner. Now from here install this QR code scanner application. After install this application, now let's open Wi-Fi option. Then tap on your Wi-Fi SSID name. After that, here you will get a QR code. So you have to just take a screenshot of this QR code. Okay. Then just get back and open your install QR code scanner application. Then here you can see there is the option scan image. Click on this option. Now select your screenshot from your gallery. Then just crop the code area and then click on tick icon. After that, you will get here your Wi-Fi security type and password. So from here you can copy your password. If you could not find QR code option in your Wi-Fi SSID, then let me show you the another method. In this method you can find your Wi-Fi password from your router admin panel. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, just pull down your notification bar and go to the Wi-Fi option. From here click on this arrow and scroll down. Then click on IP settings, then select your static. After that you will find here a gateway address. So just copy this address. Now just get back and open your Chrome browser and paste here this gateway address. After paste it, you will find here your router model name. Just tap on it and now here you need to type here your admin password. I'm gonna type here admin because TP-Link default login password is admin. If you have any other router, then let me show you how you can find the default password. Okay, just open any browser and type here router name and then type here default login password. After that, search it. Here as you can see, this router username and login password is admin. Like this way you can find out your router default password and username. You can also get your default password from your router backside. Okay, so after type here password, click on login. Then here click on wireless. Then go to the wireless security option. After this, swipe to the right side. As you can see, it's my Wi-Fi password. So friend, like this way you can easily find out your Wi-Fi password. I hope any of this method will help you to get out your password. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.